Hello dear Virgo, welcome back to my channel, and this is your 4th week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. If you are a new subscriber or a new watcher, please subscribe and wait till the end if you want to know more about the personal readings with me, the rituals with me, or any sort of counseling sessions with me. So let's start. We will start with your career. You've got the 10 of stars and the 5 of suns. Okay, because the light is here, so that might get give a little problem. Okay, some of you could be dealing with a Gemini Sun Moon rising, or you could have a Gemini Sun Moon rising in your own birth chart. I do see that you're stressing a lot about your work, probably because the competition is quite tough, because you think that I don't know if I'm going to get a chance or I'm going to get that job. Even if you're applying, if you're a student applying for schools and colleges, this can be you. If you're applying for a job, or if you have a business, you worry too much about the competition, the rivalry that is there. I do agree that the field that you're in has a lot of competition or has a lot of applicants, but I do see you getting the success. You will be chosen for that job, that college, that university, or that business. That deal is going to come your way because I do see success in your card. Success and abundance is coming your way this week, so there's nothing to worry about or overthink about. I also see that do not let this get to your head, because there are chances that you might get overconfident and that can backfire for you. So try to stay humble, even if you achieve a lot of success, bonus, or really if you're able to crack a really big deal. Okay, let's see what's happening in your personal life. You've got the 7 of Spades and the Temperance card. I see that this is a foundational stage for you, which means this is a time to strengthen your relationships, your bond, especially if you are meeting someone new. And if you're already in a relationship or marriage, I do feel that you need to work on strengthening your bond. Maybe things have not been that strong between the two of you. There have been arguments, or you simply have not been speaking to each other. There is some sort of problem that I see. Somebody who left you, abandoned you, or you broke up with, or were in a no contact with, is going to come back into your life, because I do see a mingling of past and future. Also, this is a warning of not repeating the same mistakes again that you did in the past. So try to maintain a balanced approach in your relationship, which means do not overdo anything, do not over stretch, or do not overgive yourself, or even if you're focusing more on work and less on home, then do not do that as well, because this can really hamper your relationships. I also see that there is a need of self control. So if anger is one of the issues, then move that away. Or if you get very emotional when this person comes back usually, and you just want to give them another chance, then don't do that as well. Ask yourself a question whether this person has come back with a changed mentality. Are they going to give you what you want, the commitment, the marriage that you're looking for? If not, you have to let them go. Okay? So try to be adaptable to the situation, because especially if you're already in a relationship or marriage, you know that things change, people change, their priorities change, your priorities change. So try to be adaptable. Don't think that this is not the person who I married, right? You also grow, they also grow. So try to be more adaptable to the situations. Also, if things have gone sour, the things will not always be the same. So accept that fact as well. I do see that overall it's going to be a good week for you. So try to work on your relationships and build that kind of bond. There's nothing major drawback or sad thing or illness that is coming your way as of now that I see. But yes, I do see you overthinking, which should stop once you get that success. Okay, overall it's a good week for you guys. And if you guys resonated with my reading, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know what's exactly with your situation. I would love to read your comments, read, like, and also reply to most of you. And lastly, if you still have any question on your mind, any doubts regarding this reading or any other area of your life like health, money, marriage, kids, etc., then you can always contact me and book a personal reading with me. I also have audio video sessions available with me. You can book that as well, but they are only available on Instagram, Google Meet, or Zoom. WhatsApp is not available. Other than that, I do have 2 rituals available. If you think there's a sort of blockage in your life, then you can book a blockage removal ritual. If you want to manifest a desire, then you can book a Bailey ritual, which is a one-time ritual which I will perform on your behalf. Then I also have packages. I have love packages. I have a different package for singles. I have a different package for people focused on career. There will be set of questions that I will give it to you, and every package will come with a free remedy to see exactly what is blocking your life, right? Lastly, spiritual counseling sessions are the therapy sessions that I provide to only and only my viewers, which is if you're going through a problem, if you have a heavy heart, no one is there to listen to you, no one is trustworthy enough to share your secrets with, then you can come to me. This will be only live one-on-one session, so you can come and share your secrets without that shame or guilt, because no judgment is going to be there from my side. Again, I do have audio video sessions for counseling as well, half an hour and 1 hour. So to book any kind of reading, ritual or counseling session, you can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com. All these details are also mentioned in my description box and bio, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram channel, which is the Moksha Tarot. Guys, also please follow me on Instagram, because I post all these details on a daily basis over there, including what are my prices. You will know the prices, very cheap prices. My lowest charge starts at 170 rupees. I also have Oracle Love reading with me, which is specially exclusively for people who are in no contact. So I have different services available. You can contact me to know the prices as well. What the discounts are going on, what is the new service, what and when to do the rituals is everything that I post over there. Here I'll only be meeting you weekly or monthly. Okay. So thank you for watching my channel. I look forward to seeing you very, very soon. Take care. Bye bye.